colour vibrancy. Hair colour leaving behind a dreamy gleam. Stuff gleams are made of, Joanne. Woo. Plus, it revives your highlights, lowlights, single process at home colour, or whatever. Imparts.
Does it say whatever?
Whatever. It says whatever. No, you don't have to straddle it. Just check that it's in focus. Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the new Bumble and Bumble Colour Gloss. Now this is a luminous hair shine treatment that you can use in the comfort of your own home. Now it comes in 5 different shades. This one's Cool Blonde, has it in the clear, the warm blonde, brunette and red also. Now what this actually does is you pop it onto your hair when you are needing your colour to have a little bit more shine, more vibrancies, to kind of reinvigorate that colour, as it were. It also helps to brighten highlights, lowlights, and it takes out the brassy tones that are in your hair. For example, Joanne has highlights. Her highlights were like a white colour and they have now got this yellow tone to them. So I'm now going to use the Cool Blonde, demonstrate to you how to use this on her hair to revive her colour back to a nice icy white blonde that we want to go for. In the box comes the colour, and also you have a pair of gloves that you can use to apply the product. It usually lasts anything up to 3 washes. I personally have been using the clear one on my hair because I don't have any colour in my hair, and it's helping to bring back the shine to my hair and actually been softening it because I've got grey hair which is more wiry and coarse. It's been really softening that grey and just keeping it looking shiny and bright, really. So you can see how yellow Joanne's highlights have gone through her hair, and now we're going to see how much they make them nice and white again for her. If you were at home, you would always pop a towel around your shoulders. Now I've got a colouring pinny on because I'm absolutely a stinker for getting colour everywhere. So I'm just protecting my own clothing, but you wouldn't need to do this. You could just pop a towel around yourself. And I'm now going to pop the gloves that are provided on. It's a procedure. And you also need a wide tooth comb, or a comb will do. This is just to section your hair off. So if you just run down the centre of your hair and put it in a centre parting first, it's just a rough kind of guesstimate, and then take the Cool Blonde I'm going to use. Oh, actually, I better pull me cups up a bit. Take it into your hand, squirt it into your hand. So I've done quite a nice, generous dollop there. If you hold that for me, Jo. So Joanne would just then go like that with your hands, and you would take it and run it down. Now this particular one, you're only meant to leave on for 4 minutes. And believe me, the longer you leave this on, the bluer your hair goes, or quite lilac-y.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So take some more. Now I'm not putting it all underneath because Joanne doesn't have any colour underneath. This is her natural colour, so it doesn't need it. But if you would say you're red all over or brown all over, then yeah, you would go all the way through your hair. But if you just did the top section, or just did the sections that you need to do, your product would last a lot longer. So then take your comb and then just comb, oh, you're not gonna like this, are you? And then just kind of gently just comb it through from the top to the mid-length to the ends. Okay, so now I've blow dried, I've washed Joanne's hair with some Bumble and Bumble thickening shampoo and conditioner, and I've just rough dried her hair with no product on. I have put on the Bumble and Bumble prep just to comb through Giant's hair, otherwise she would be crying if I tried to comb through with no product in. So that's the only primer that we've just put a primer on. And if you can see how shiny and glossy her hair looks with no product. So as you can see, the product has really captured all of Giant's highlights and made them nice and icy white again. What do you think of that, Jo?
That's great.
It's done it. It's done a good job, hasn't it?
Very impressed.
Yeah. So that could keep you going now, and you could really kind of put off your colour a little bit longer, because it's just giving it that lovely white hue that you want going through your hair. Made it look glossy and shiny, and yeah, it's a fantastic product.
Very impressed.
Thank you ever so much for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I will link down below where you can get this product from. Look forward to seeing you next week.